How to use Ssh-Rsa public key to encrypt a text. So, the scenario is, given I'm Bob, I want to encrypt some message for Alice. The only public key I have is her Ssh-Rsa ID_rsa.pub like this. Ssh-Rsa break time equals 1s/sakachu at sikachu's notebook.local. So, is there a way to encrypt a string using this public key so she can use her private key from ID_rsa, generated from SSH keygen, to decrypt the message? I know that it's possible right away if you're using .pem key pair file. If you can show me how to convert this to the format that openssl supports, that'd be great as well. Thanks.
It's possible to convert your SSH public key to PEM format, that openssl can read it. Example. Assuming a mymessage.txt is your message which should be public key encrypted. Then just encrypt your message with openssl and your converted PEM public key as you would normally do. The result is your encrypted message in a myencrypted message.txt. To test your work to decrypt the with Alice private key.
Give a try to SSH Vault. It uses Ssh-Rsa public keys to encrypt create a vault, and the Ssh-Rsa private key to decrypt view content of the vault.
See this URL. The idea is to generate a single-use symmetric key that is short enough to be encrypted using SSH public key. Then, use the symmetric key to enrich your text, and send both the encrypted text and the encrypted key to the recipient.
Necrothreading a bit, but I had the same issue and Catacomb did not quite cover it, so I ended up making my own variation. Also, I found that dealing with file redirects a bit confusing for my end users, and the need to download the script beforehand a bit tedious, so my version wraps itself to make an auto-extractable file so the end user has the easiest time getting the file. It can be found at this URL. Please advise that my users are on GitLab and not GitHub, so I tweaked that a bit, but it could easily be retrofitted. Mr. R welcome.
If you want to support the show, please